this is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we going to create a dual combination charts. Okay, the question comes in like dual combination. We have seen like a bar chart and then the line chart together in the other videos. Yeah, the option is directly available rather than doing it manually. Yeah, this is an idea, dual combination, simple as that. But this option is available by default. It demands one date, which refers that it wants to do a line chart, which is basically demanding a date idea. And then in order to do a dual combination chart, we need two measures, one to represent one level of detail and the second one to represent the line chart, simple as that. So bar and line comes together. Let's do that and then check how it works. And then as it told, like one date and then two measures is required. Let me select one date and then two measure. Maybe I would go with profit and sales. Maybe working out, I guess. Cool. Okay, I missed it here. Order date. Cool. Now look at it, I have made these three selections. The idea is that take a control key down and then like select multiple selections. That Tableau keep selecting multiple scenarios that we wanted to have. That's the shortcut idea. Now on top of it, I would go here and then look at it here. The dual combination is actually available now. If I click a dual combination chart, cool, look at it here. The bar chart for each and every year is actually representing this manner, and then parallelly it talks about the sales and then profit of the same years of it. Cool, a kind of perfect dual chart, right? Yeah, that is comes by default in Tableau rather than you have to do it manually. The same is still achievable manually rather than using this chart, but ideally this is a straightforward one that if you wanted to use it, simple as that. Now let's check with the other scenario. We look at it here, the profit having a different axis and then the sales having a different axis, and then parallelly the value is keep getting high, 0 to 90,000 USD, but here 0 to 700,000 USD. So which means that we have to synchronize the axis along with. So profit is actually having a less value, but still let's check that how it works. I would right click and then I would choose synchronize axis. Yeah, cool. Look at it here. The sales remains the same sales, but ideally the profit is very low. This is what the sales is, but this is what the profit is. Kind of a strange, right? Look at it here. This kind of sales comes in $100,000, but still they are making a profit just 61,000. Simple as that. So if that is the case, then let me add some more layers on top of it. I would go with category into columns. Let's check that. Yeah, even technology is actually better than the others, because like even though the sales is high, parallelly the profit is also high, but the category and then the furniture, look at the furniture, is actually kind of making a loss. In 2015 the sales is actually $100,000, but ideally they made a profit of just 3,000 USD. So it's not something that is working better for a business. So like this kind of investigation is possible, and then it's getting far better comparing with the others. Cool. Then so this is how we can create a simple dual combination chart within Tableau by default. It's not that you have to do it manually. Cool. Then yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.